Hey everyone, welcome to the second video of this native SEO course. If you have watched our previous introductory video on SEO, you now have a vague idea about what SEO is and why it is important. As I have previously mentioned, SEO is the easiest way to gain thousands of organic traffic. And the best part is, you can do it without even spending a dime. With search engine optimization, you can improve your online visibility. This will help you drive new visitors to your website or blog. If you are running an e-commerce website, just think about how impactful SEO can be for your business. You can turn your website visitors into customers with zero acquisition cost. But before we get going, I just wanted to talk about people who may be benefiting from this course by putting it into action. So the first and most obvious is business owners, people who are spending money on ads and want to promote or sell some products. Instead of just paying to show up on search results for specific keywords, which you refer as PPC or pay-per-click, you can use SEO to rank for those exact keywords organically and get thousands of free traffic. Optimizing your website is a lot better than paid search. Getting organic traffic to a website is more cost-effective and efficient way of selling your products compared to digital marketing. Also, digital marketing is momentary. The moment you stop running those ads, your sales will drop in no time. With PPC ads, you are quite literally paying to show up on top of search results. When you make a Google search, you probably have noticed some ads that appear on top or on the side of your search results or web page. So those businesses or people are paying Google to list their website or products on top of Google search. Whereas with SEO, we are focusing on organic ranking, which means you can be on top of Google's main listing organically by optimizing your website. Websites that are listed organically didn't pay to be there. These are websites that Google find useful, authoritative, and most relevant to a certain search query. These websites usually have good content and have a strong backlink profile. So you either can spend thousands of dollars on advertising to drive customers to your website, or just improve your SEO to rank high on search results. PPC is also fantastic. It is a great short-term strategy. We'll be talking about how to use PPC ads without getting bankrupt in future videos. If you want to just sell your product through advertising, you can use PPC. But if you have a long-term goal, you should focus more on improving your SEO. SEO is also really useful for local businesses. It's not just online business or brand that can benefit from SEO. If you are a local-based business or brick-and-mortar store, you can also benefit from local SEO. It gives your business the spotlight that it needs and help your business stand out. People are always making local search. You probably have also made this type of Google searches to find your favorite coffee shops near you. So improving your local SEO will drive more people to your business. You'll see a lot more customers coming in your store through online recommendations. It is also a great conversation starter with your customer to see if they found you online. So the next demographic is bloggers. They need SEO to get more exposure online and bring traffic to their blog. You probably have heard the phrase content is king. Well, sure it is, but there is no point in writing the most interesting article if there is no one to read it. So you do need to know how to promote your content so you can reach out to your preferred audience and your article probably won't go unread. With SEO, you can grow your audience incredibly fast by ranking great content. If you have written content that isn't optimized with proper keyword, chances are nobody is going to find it because that's not what your audience was actually looking for. In the research phase, we're going to learn about how to do keyword research and competitor research so you can understand what your audience exactly wants. And once you start growing your traffic, you can sell more advertisements, build an email list, sell affiliate products, or do whatever you do to monetize your blog. So it's all about attracting more organic traffic. Writing great content is undoubtedly important, But writing great content with the right strategy and using the right keywords is fantastic because that is how you will attract more traffic to your website. Another group that will benefit from this course is freelancers who are looking to work on digital marketing or SEO. If you are an SEO agency and selling SEO services, or just want to get better at SEO to enhance your portfolio, you can use this course to learn SEO from scratch. The SEO industry is diverse and is still growing. You can make good money by providing SEO services, or you can just work on your own project. Also, if you're working in the IT sector, knowing SEO will give you some extra benefits. As an employee, knowing SEO is powerful. You can even start your own SEO agency and work remotely, literally from anywhere. And lastly, this course will help anyone who's looking for more traffic, leads, or sales. It doesn't matter if you're running a business blog or you're just an influencer who's looking for more online exposure. If you are online and want more traffic to your site, SEO is must. Google currently gets about over 3 billion searches every single day. That's roughly 27,000 searches every second. So not being visible on search results is a huge mistake. You probably don't want to miss out on the huge traffic that's out there with Google searches. So if you're looking to grow your business online, SEO is something that you definitely should know. In conclusion, if you're looking for more traffic, more leads, or want to increase your sales, you're definitely in the right place. You're going to be learning not just about building traffic, but how to optimize that traffic, how to reach a more targeted demographic, how to raise your conversion rate, how to measure your SEO success with analytics, and of course, how you can rank high on Google. If you find this video useful, make sure to give it a like. If you have any comments, please let us know in the comment section below, and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. Until then, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.